Hey everybody, Chuck Samples on KVOE social media. We're getting ready for at least the possibility of some stronger thunderstorms here for this afternoon and this evening as flooding continues basically just south and southwest of Emporia. As usual, as we focus on things, we'll take a look here at the overall risk, and you can see slight risk area here for basically the entire KVOE listening area. The cursor is pointing just east of Emporia now, the junction of K90, or I should say Kansas Turnpike, and also Interstate 35, again a slight risk area wide starting late this afternoon. Our main concern is hail, and we're looking at anything ranging from pea-sized up to egg-sized hail for the late afternoon and early evening hours. The hatching is of note because that means 10% or greater possibility within basically 25 miles of a given point. So, and that is for the 2-inch egg-sized hail here for later on today. We don't see the same level of risk for wind, although we could wind up seeing isolated 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts, and that's what this map is translating to for you here today. As for tornadic risk, really just about everything possible would have to come together for a brief spin-up tornado, and that's what we see with this official 2%. This is as close to zero as you can possibly get while still having a tornado risk here for this evening. And what you're looking at here is the flooding situation. This is for the Cottonwood at Emporia. As you can see, a rather rapid rise through the weekend thanks to the heavy rainfall that we had throughout the Labor Day weekend. We've been, as we record this here before 10 a.m., above flood stage barely for a few hours. And at least for now, the gauge is tentatively set to go below flood stage here soon. As to whether we get more rainfall, possibly triggering another flood warning or an extension of the current flood warning, that remains to be seen, and as part of our updates that we'll have here on KVOE. So with the flooding risk ongoing and severe weather here possible here today, be sure to stay with KVOE, KVOE.com, and KVOE social media for updates. Don't forget as well that if you haven't basically connected to us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all at KVOE News, or X at KVOE AM 1400, we do send out alerts as those warnings and other information comes out, basically as soon as that comes out. So you get the information there, then tune to KVOE so we get you the information that you need to stay safe. We'll keep you updated all day long on KVOE and KVOE.com.